This is from ghostandgravestones.com, so reliable sources. Do you hear strange creaking or rattling noises in your house late at night?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Everyone does.
Yeah.
Have you had paranormal experiences in the past?
Probably.
I wouldn't know. I'm not a trained ghost expert, so
Yeah.
maybe I did, but I wouldn't know. It might be time to get a few beginner ghost hunting tips under your belt. Next time you hear or see something mysterious, you'll be prepared to investigate and document evidence of a ghostly guest.
You don't need fancy tools. You don't need fancy electromagnetic frequency detectors or whatever they use in those fake ghost shows. No, you just need an open heart and an open mind.
These are extra helpful hints. Most paranormal interactions take place near battlefields, forts, cemeteries, schools, houses, so you'll want to check these locations in your area first.
So everywhere.
So, what you have to remember when hunting ghosts is to be in the right mindset. You have to open yourself up. Let the energies flow through you. If you're wearing glasses, put them on.
The ghost hunts are not only much more fun with a group, but you're also much safer. You never know what kind of ghouls you'll encounter, so bringing a buddy or two is advised.
All right, well, let's get cracking.
All right, so David, I got a good one for you this week. All right, so a lot of the vet students have been reporting sightings of ghost puppies.
You know, I've always been fascinated by ghosts, especially human ghosts, but the thought never even occurred to me for ghost puppies, ghost dogs, ghost animals in general.
But right over there is VSL. We're going to be investigating tonight to see if we can disprove these ghost puppy theories, because clearly that's ridiculous.
So dead, fetal puppies, ghosts.
Sure. I mean, that's not a thing.
Count me in.
All right, let's just go. All right, so we're both filming now, right?
Yep.
All right. So this is the perfectly normal hallway in VSL. Nothing weird going on down here. And there's a water fountain, which is kind of odd placement if you ask me, but you know. I don't think it's populated by ghosts. The school will get mad at us.
Yeah, so with the ghosts. Next time.
So yeah, these are all the,
Where's the head?
probably somewhere else.
Clever.
I read somewhere that ghosts don't like it when you rattle like locks and chains and stuff, because it reminds them too much of oh man, what was that? What was that book called? With the three ghosts.
Christmas Carol,
Sure.
I think.
Here's an elevator. I will say the elevator is probably the creepiest thing, because it's always that lighting in the elevator, and I once saw someone get stuck in there.
They probably never got out.
No, I saw them get out.
Okay, well.
Yeah. Here's a defibrillator. I mean,
Hey, that's involved with death.
well, it's more like saving people. But.
Oh, you know, death is part of saving people. Okay.
Well, that was kind of spooky. I'll give you that one. But I think it's just the automatic lights. They'll just
Okay.
yeah, just automatic lights. Nothing to worry about.
See any orbs?
No, I'm still kind of like dazed by how bright it just got in here. I found a clicker. Maybe, hey, ghost experiment, we could like, hey, ghost, knock this clicker off. They won't, because they're not real, but.
Let's we'll rattle this.
It hasn't moved. Why don't you ask him to answer like a multiple choice question with it?
Hello, spirits. Please tell me which of the first 4 letters in the alphabet is your favorite.
Nothing.
First 10 letters in the alphabet. Or question mark, which one is your favorite?
Well, we'll prove that it works, okay? So light comes on and you get like this screen. Pops up. Lots of glare. Yeah. So there would be activity if ghosts did really exist, which they don't. So.
All right, well, you know, not with that attitude.
Oh no, someone was doing innervations. You think it was ghosts, David? You think the ghosts are
It's always a possibility.
writing about innervations?
I get a good vibe in this room. Like I'm being watched.
There's like one chair up here that's pulled out and everything else is like pushed back in. It's kind of weird.
That's some good evidence.
Probably just like a lazy student.
Well,
Because there are classes in here every day.
Hey, that clock. I haven't seen that clock move.
Yeah, I mean it's slow, but it moves. Did you see Nick Cage?
Did you see Nick Cage?
well, that's a ghost right there.
There's one in the back too.
Okay.
Pizza.
Think there's any slices left?
There's an empty Hershey Kisses.
There's like some cheese. Some cheese. Right?
That can't be good for you.
Makes you stronger. Just like ghost hunting.
Seems like a lot of pizza. Oh wow, I never thought that was unlocked.
Hello?
Puppies?
They're there. I can feel it. I can feel it.
My phone ran out of storage. We're going to do a quick rapid review of footage. Not because our high-tech camera equipment ran out of storage, but because that's what ghost people do, and we're definitely going to find a ghost. careful while you're hunting alone.
I can look after myself. The ghosts know me.
They really don't, actually, because they're not.
Lullabies, remember? Hey, ghosts. Okay.
All right. Between you and me, I don't think Aaron has what it takes for this job. I don't think his head's in the game. I think he just doubts the existence. He's just a non-believer, and you know, the ghosts are avoiding us. I know it.
David, come here. I was scrubbing through the video.
Yeah.
Like I said I was going to, and I found this anomaly. I'm pretty sure it's just lights reflecting off a car through the window, but it seems kind of like a weird location for it. If you watch these lockers here, you can see like there's just this kind of bright blue light there.
But there's no cars.
Well, I mean the road's right here.
Yeah, but the lights aren't moving.
Yeah, the lights aren't moving, which is kind of weird, and like I didn't notice it in real life. Like clearly because I turn away. Like I would have focused in on that more. And the shine's gone. So yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah, I don't. It's just yeah. It was there, now it's not. I mean, I don't know. I mean, clearly I don't believe in ghosts, but that's.
I'm gonna go back and investigate.
That's a little weird. I'm gonna be there.
I'll shout if I need help.
I'm on my way. Let me just pack up the high tech gear.
Okay. Lots of activity in this area. Huh. So we're coming up. There it is.
Can you see the shine?
I can. But when I approach it, it goes away.
Wait, back up so you can see it, and then let me know when I'm in it.
Wait, okay. Yeah. I see it. Keep walking.
Am I in it?
No, not yet. Alright, there you go. Your shadow's covering it.
I think I see the problem. There's a light behind you, and I think that's what's shining through. I'm gonna go ahead and debunk this myth. Yeah, that light out there is probably what would be causing something. Hey, here's a bystander. Sir, have you seen any ghosts lately?
Here?
Yeah. We heard reports of ghost puppies.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Are you doing a report?
Yes, I am.
Are you FaceTiming?
No.
What's this for?
Just answer the questions.
I haven't seen any.
You haven't seen any ghosts or ghost puppies?
I can see the orb. It's behind you.
It's just a light, David.
I think you got it all wrong. I think the light's coming from that window.
There is another light also coming from that one. It's very bright. Yes, it's debunked on two sides.
That doesn't mean that goes.
So you haven't seen any ghosts around here?
Nope.
Would you say you come here often?
5 times a week.
All right. Well,
Yeah.
you're free to go, sir.
Alright, thanks.
Hey, one last question. How'd you get in here when it was a lockdown?
It's locked down right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. You just came through the door? I don't know.
Fucking Grenada, you know.
Ruins all our evidence tonight.
Oh man. Gotta recompose myself now. Okay. Alright. So lockdown was a disaster, but there's still more to this building. So I think we can still find some ghosts.
Where'd that guy go?
I don't know. You were filming him.
Well, then I turned to you. And
But yeah, but my phone was on my side.
I mean, there's really not that much to film in this building left. There's these stairs.
Spirits are like heat; they rise.
And there's another set of stairs just like these. There's no lights that turn on here, so it's now very dark.
This is their optimum environment. Alright, I'm going to night mode. Alright, how about I use my light and you film?
Okay.
Okay?
Compromise.
That's gonna work. Okay. Once more into the breach. Alright, we're gonna try this again.
Night mode. I like this night mode where it's just a flashlight.
Hey, you don't need fancy equipment to hunt ghosts.
I mean, that's true because it'd be a waste of money.
Looks like there's some forced entry here. Look at that. A lot of history in this place.
Look at you. I know a thing or two.
So what's this?
Creepy?
This looks like a bed. This is genuinely creepy.
Yeah. I genuinely don't want to be here anymore. Yeah, I think that was this is a good lock-in, except for the part where the lock-in didn't really happen.
Well, we need more answers. Now we know that someone's here after dark. Maybe they know about the ghosts. Those monsters. They can't lock down a building. They can't.
Like you reserved it on 25 Live, right?
Of course.
All right.
I think the next logical step here is to come back in a month and see if we can catch the person living in the attic, because I'm sure that they've seen a ghost or two, considering that they're here all night.
Yeah. But where were they tonight?